first and largest integrated township, spread across an expansive 313 acres, featuring premium villas, office spaces, residential apartments, and retail area, making it truly an integrated and vibrant community. Now, let's dive into the latest insights and developments as of July 2025, starting with the common infrastructure. The main entrance for the 80 feet BT road has been completed. Internal landscaping on either side of the road, starting from the main entrance to the Sector 1, has been completed. In the mechanical, electrical and plumbing section, underground service for common areas such as cable routing and water supply lines is completed. Around 200 street light poles have been installed along the BT road. That marks the end of common infra. Getting into the Sector 1 development of Sansa County, we are proud to inform you that the structural works of all 953 villas were completed in 21 months. Coming to waterproofing, works in the toilets, balcony and utility areas have been completed in the villas. Internal putty work for villas has been completed for 80% of the villas. Balcony railing installation has been completed. External painting has been completed for 70% of villas with one coat of paint. Flooring works for more than 700 plus villas have been completed, including the staircase granite works. The installation of wooden doors and internal wiring has kicked off. Windows and UPVC door installation has been completed for 200 plus villas. Internal concealed plumbing has been completed for 90% of villas. To round this part of the update, works on the boundary wall for Sector 1 are nearing completion. Internal concrete road works has kick-started and are in progress. The structural work for the main entrance portal has been completed, with the MS frame installed. Finishing for the entrance portal and main entry road for Sector 1 are in progress, along with landscaping works. Over to the two beautiful clubhouses present in Sector 1, excavation works for Clubhouse 1 have been completed, and the basement works are in progress. In Clubhouse 2, excavation works are completed, and the basement slab is in progress, which is expected to be completed by the month end. Moving on to Sector 2, which consists of 437 villas, the structural work for 250 plus villas and substructure work for 412 villas have been completed. Internal road formation for all roads has been completed, with works for sub-road systems having commenced. Boundary wall works that secure the whole of Sector 2 stand at 90% and are moving at the steady pace. The structural work for the main entrance portal has been completed, with the MS frame installed. Rounding up the progress in Sector 2, the excavation for the major structure for the clubhouse and STP have begun and is expected to be completed in this quarter. We are happy to announce that both east and west facing model villas have been completed with interior and are now open to customer visits. Coming to Sector 3, we are happy to inform you that we have received the RERA number and have begun the excavation works. Let's have a look at the progress in both the office and apartments. Excavation work for the office is 100% complete for both Tower A and Tower B, whereas foundation work for the basements for Tower A is 50% complete. Retaining wall and boundary wall work has been kick-started. Coming to the apartments, concrete works for the still floor and first floor has been completed. STP concrete works has begun and is making steady progress. Now, let's explore the latest additions to the Sansa County Shopping Complex and Sports Center. Excavation works for both the shopping complex and the sports center have been completed, and foundation work has begun.